여러분 안녕하세요. Hi everyone and welcome back to Korean with Michelle. This is your video number 4 of week 1. If you haven't already watched the first 3 videos, please make sure to watch them first. I'll leave a link down below in the description section. And if you haven't already, please make sure you download your free worksheets at koreanwithmichelle.com. And let's just get started. In the last 2 videos, we have gone over the first 10 consonants of Korean. This is the next 5. I'm going to read them out loud for you with the A vowel again, and it's going to sound like cha, ka, ta, pa, ha. cha, ka, ta, pa, ha. We'll go through them in more detail in the next slide. The first consonant that we'll be looking at is a solid CH sound, and it's written as 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. You'll notice that this is just a slight modification on the J/CH sound that we looked at in the last video. This was the J/CH. By adding this little line on top, we turn this into a solid CH. You'll also notice that it's written a little bit differently here. It looks more like this. Again, that's just a difference in font. I would like to see you practice writing it as this version right here. But you will see both in Korea. Keeping the sound in mind, I would like you to practice now writing the 3 words on the right-hand side and practice saying it out loud, then come back to the video to see if you've got it right. The first word is T. 차, 차, 차. The second word is train. 기차, 기차, 기차. The last word is skirt. 치마, 치마, 치마. The next consonant is a solid K sound, and it's written as 1, 2. 1, 2. Again, you'll notice that this is just a slight modification on the G/K sound. This was the soft G or the G/K sound. By adding this line here, you turn it into a solid K. Pause the video, practice writing it a couple times, practice writing the 3 words on the right-hand side, and practice saying it out loud, then come back to the video to see if you've got it right. The first word is nose, 코, 코, 코. The second word is cookie, 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 cookie. And the last word is height, 키, 키, 키. The next consonant will be the solid T sound, and it's written as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Are you seeing a pattern yet? So once again, we're starting with the D/T sound, and we're adding a little modification to make it into a solid T. Pause the video, practice writing it a couple times, then you can look at the 3 words on the right-hand side, practice writing it down, and practice saying it out loud, then come back to the video to see if you've got it right. The first word is ostrich, and it's pronounced as 타조, 타조, 타조. The next word is tire, and it's pronounced as 타이어, 타이어, tire. The last word means to ride, and it's pronounced as 타다, 타다, 타다. The next consonant is a solid P sound, and it's written as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To help you remember it, it kind of looks like the mathematical sign pi with a line underneath it. Another way to look at it, do you remember the B/P sound? Well, if you flip it halfway, then you kind of get the P sound. And this is in line with the other patterns that we saw. We take the in-between sound and we modify it slightly to turn it into a solid sound. Keeping that in mind, practice writing this one a couple times, then look at the 3 words on the right-hand side, write it down, practice saying it, then come back to the video. The first word is piano. 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 And it means piano. The next word is to hurt or to be sick. 아프다. 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 And the last word, pie. 파이. 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 This is the last consonant of the day, and it is the H sound. It is written as 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. You'll notice that it is written like this here. Again, that's the difference in font. I would like you to practice writing it as this one, but you will see both in Korea. In line with the other modifications that you see, we can start by looking at the placeholder consonant which had no sound, and then you go and put a hat on it, and it turns it into an H sound. Hat, so H. Practice writing this one a couple times, then you can look at the 3 words on the right-hand side, write it down, practice saying it, then come back to the video to see if you've got it right. The first word here is to do, and it's pronounced as 하다. 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 The second word is hippo, and it's pronounced as 하마. 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 And the last word is scarecrow, and it's pronounced as 허수아비. 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 Let's put it all together with a dictation practice. I have 10 Korean words that I'm going to read out loud, and you're going to write down what you hear on a piece of paper. As always, I recommend that you pause the video after each word, and you can listen to it as many times as you need to. Number 1, piano. Piano. Number 2, tire. Tire. Number 3, 아프다. 아프다. Number 4, 허수아비. 허수아비. Number 5, 하마. 하마. Number 6, 기차. 기차. Number 7, cookie. Cookie. Number 8, 코. 코. Number 9, 스키. 스키. Number 10, 치마. 치마. Great work, everyone. Here's the answers to the little dictation practice that we just completed. Compare the answers to what you have on your paper. And if you have gotten them all right, give yourself a big pat on the back. And even if you didn't, still give yourself a big pat on the back because it's getting tougher and tougher. If you didn't get it all right, make sure to review the video to see if you can figure out where you might have gone wrong. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't already, please follow me on Instagram at Korean with Michelle, where I will attempt to answer your questions as they pop up on the comment section. If you have found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video, day 5 of week 1. 감사합니다, 여러분. 다음 비디오에서 만나요.